Okay, folks, here's a video for you to make like a gift and wrap up. It's funny. Okay. And wrap up the course. I know we're coming to the end of the course already. It's like, what? This is Thanksgiving week. Thanksgiving week. What the heck is, and all of a sudden it's going to be Christmas. What the heck happened? I mean, time goes by fast when you're having fun, right? Aren't we having fun? Aren't we having a little bit? Okay. So here's what we got going on. I'll load this in. It's, Thanksgiving week. So, an early happy Thanksgiving to you. We will not be meeting. We will not be Zooming in on Tuesday. Just pre-Thanksgiving celebration. Just enjoy your week, okay? No meeting on Tuesday. The following week, December 1st. I did my math right. December 1st. We'll be Zooming in. And, I'll be on Zoom if you have any questions. But this video might just answer all your questions. And if all your questions are answered about how the course is going to end, when you don't have to Zoom in, well, you don't have to do anything. This is America, remember? Don't let anybody tell you what you can do or can or cannot do. Okay, so what's going on? So the following week is December 1st. The evening of December 1st, okay, I'll have loaded in a test, and I'll have it open up like at 7 o'clock in the evening or something like that, and the test will be open to you on December 1st. You have a week to do it. Happy holidays, people. You're welcome. Okay, you get a full week to do that lab. It's due December 8th at the regular time. If we had a test that night, it would be 8:10. Okay, 8:10. So you get over a full week. You get 168 hours, 169 hours. Look, usually you get 3. You get 169 hours. You can do this. You can do this. I expect good things out of you. Good things out of this test. Okay, so the following week, it opens up December 1st, due December 8th, at regular time at 8:10. Okay, now, I changed the schedule around a little bit at the end to accommodate some of these little small changes that we have. There will not be a lab on galvanic cells. Okay, we will not have that. I've taken that out because normally that would be done and then due on the same evening as that last test, our third test. So I said, no, we won't do that. Okay, we'll just have the test due on the 8th. So there will not be a lab. If you have any questions about that, you might ask, well, how come there's no videos? It says in the schedule we got galvanic cells and we don't have any video on galvanic cells. Because we're not doing it. Okay? So your last lab is the one on entropy, which is already loaded in for you, and you can do that if you so desire. Another thing is to kind of, I went over this in Zoom, but some of you weren't there. Well, that's okay. It's okay. All right. The last lab on entropy, if you've done all the labs, I always drop the lowest lab grade. So if you've done all the labs, you might just say, I don't want to do the one on entropy because I've done all of them, and he's going to drop the lowest one anyway, so I'm not going to bother with the last lab. Perfectly fine. If you do it, then I'll drop, if you've done all your labs, I'll drop the lowest lab grade. Okay, or maybe you didn't do a lab early on, then you should do the entropy lab, because I just won't count that one you didn't do earlier against you. So I drop the lowest lab grade. If you've done them all, you don't have to do the last lab. Or if you want to for kicks and giggles, because it's fun, huh? Chemistry, fun, right? Yeah, you can go ahead and do that anyways. Let's see. So the test, no lab, and no new labs at this point. So the electrochemistry lab, gone. However, the test will be due on the 8th, remember, at 8:10. And then the class itself doesn't close officially until December 15th. So that means if you owe me any labs, I'll still take them up until the evening of the 15th. I'll still take any lab that you owe me. Get them in, because if you don't get them in, that's going to really hurt your grade. I've been putting the zeros in for older labs, and you can see what happens to your grade if I do that. So, if you want to get those out, get me the labs. Yeah, they'll be late. There'll be a late penalty to them, but you'll get something for them, and it'll certainly help you. So get those in. I'll take them until December 15th. Also, if you want to get extra bonus, maybe you want, my grade is now, with this last test, a B minus. I want a B. Well, get some labs in. Get some homework problems in. Those bonus questions. Maybe you didn't do some of them. Maybe you didn't do any of those bonus homework problems out of the book. get those into me. I'll take those up until the 15th. Okay, so I'll take old labs and extra bonus questions, homework problems up until the 15th. After that, that's it. Course over. Your grade goes into the grading system, goes into Canvas. Okay, so quick reiteration. No Zoom this week. Enjoy holiday. Zoom next week if you want to. If you understand everything, you get everything about the end of the course, don't Zoom. You get it. Good for you. Otherwise, I will be there on the 1st. I'm just basically talking about what I'm talking about now. Test opens up on the 1st, in by the 8th. Last lab is the entropy lab. If you don't have to do it if you've got them all in. Okay, I always drop the lowest lab grade. And the course officially gets closed on the 15th. So if you owe me anything at that point, you still have until the 15th to get in, and we'll take late stuff. I will do that. Okay, I hope you enjoy your Thanksgiving, and before you know it, course is going to be over. It'll be a very sad day for all of us because we love chemistry so much. I'm crying. I am crying. I know you are too. I know deep down inside you are. Deep down inside.